Kia ora, ko Ruku Anson tōku ingoa. My name is Ruku Anson and welcome to the Te Reo for Life series. These are short videos that talk through key concepts in the Māori language. I've been learning my grandparents' native tongue for 10 years now, but I still struggle to kōrero Māori easily. By breaking this learning up into bite-sized chunks, I'm hoping the phrases will be easier to remember when I'm on business calls, ngā huihuinga pakihi, reading study books, pānui ngā puka puka, or working on the computer, whakamahia te rorohiko. I have also found it helps to substitute the English word for the Māori equivalent. Kia kore koe e wareware ki tērā kupu. If this sounds like you, then please join me in this journey by subscribing to my channel, liking the videos, and let us explore this beautiful language together. Ako kia hau, kia pono kia Māori, ka kite anō.